Now children, we will do question number 7 of exercise 2.3. So just go through the question. What is given? A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. So what is the run of car in 1 liter of petrol? That is, it is used to travel 16 kilometers. Now how much distance will it cover using 3/4 liters of petrol? So what is given? जब पेट्रोल कम है तो कार कितनी चल रही है 16 किलोमीटर्स. नाउ व्हेन द क्वांटिटी ऑफ पेट्रोल इज मोर, दैट इज 3/4 लीटर्स, तो ऑब्वियसली आपका आंसर क्या आना चाहिए? इट शुड बी मोर देन 16 किलोमीटर्स. इट इज़ क्वाइट अ लॉजिकल थिंग. यदि 1 लीटर में 16 किलोमीटर्स चल रही है तो जब ज़्यादा पेट्रोल, व्हेन द पेट्रोल क्वांटिटी ऑफ पेट्रोल इज मोर, सो द रन विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. सो वी विल जस्ट राइट इट डाउन ओवर हियर. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. That is distance traveled by a car, distance traveled by a car in 1 liter of petrol is equals to 16 kilometers. Okay, so in 1 liter of petrol, car is just taking a distance of 16 kilometers. Now distance covered by a car in how much petrol is there? That is 3/4 liters. 3/4 liters of petrol. That is now quantity of petrol has been increased. So distance covered by a car in 3/4 liters of petrol is equal to कितना हो जाएगा? That is 16 into, that is 16/1 into 2, 3/4. So 16/1 is 16 only. Now you have to change it into the improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11/4. Now you can just simplify. 4 1s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. So 11 into 4 is 44 kilometers. So you can see children that when the petrol is more, so distance traveled or distance covered is also more. So the distance covered by a car into 3/4 liters of petrol is equals to 44 kilometers. Is it clear, students? Now we'll just solve exercise 2.4. So just open exercise 2.4 in your books now. That is on page number 46. Okay, that is on page number 46. It's page number 46. So children, in the last 3 exercise we have learned regarding the addition of fraction, subtraction of fractions and multiplication of fractions. Now in this exercise 2.4 we will just learn the division of fractions. So just before starting with this exercise, I will just tell you the basic concept regarding the division. Now suppose we have to just divide 2 fractions. Okay, I am just giving you an example over here. That is 2/3 divided by 8/9. Okay, it is the division of 2 fractions, that is 2/3 divided by 8/9. Now how to do the division? Whenever you are just carrying out the division of 2 fractions, तो क्या करते हैं? First fraction will remain as it is. Okay, first fraction will remain as it is and this division sign will change into multiplication. Division को हम काय में change कर देंगे? Multiplication में. And you will take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Is it clear? तो 8/9 है तो इसका reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 9/8. Is it clear? So what is the basic concept of division of fraction? That is first fraction will remain as it is. Okay, this division sign will change into multiplication and you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 8/9, which has been converted to 9/8. Now you can just solve it as you were solving in the case of multiplication. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 1 into 3 is 3 and 1 into 4 is 4. Is it clear, students? So on the basis of this concept, we will just solve the questions of the exercise 2.4. So just open exercise 2.4, which is on page number 46. Okay, got it? Now we'll just solve the first question. If you are clear with this concept, it is very easy to solve the questions. So just see question number first. Okay, we will solve the fifth part. Question first, fifth part, find, that is 3 divided by 2 1 upon 3. 3 divided by 2 1 upon 3. So just see over here, 3 will remain as it is. In the denominators there is no number, that means it is 1, as you are already aware about it. Okay. Now क्या बोला था मैंने, फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन एज इट इज रहेगा, डिविजन साइन विल चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ यू कैन सी चिल्ड्रन दैट दिस 2 1 upon 3. Just do one thing. First of all, we will just change this mixed fraction into the improper fraction to avoid the confusion. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we will write it as 7 upon 3. Okay. Now first fraction will remain as it is. Division sign will change into multiplication and you have to take the reciprocal of this second fraction. So 7 upon 3. So its reciprocal will be 3 upon 7. Now you can see you can't simplify it further. So 3 into 3 is 9 and 1 into 7 is 7. So your answer is 9 upon 7, which is the improper fraction. So you have to convert it into the mixed one. So 7 ones are 7, remainder is 2 and divisor is 7. You can just check it, 7 into 1, 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So 9 upon 7. Is it clear, students? Now just see the next question, that is the question number 3. Okay. Just go through the question number 3. Now just see question number 3. Okay. Now we will solve third part. What is there in the third part? That is 6 upon 13 divided by 7. 6 upon 13 divided by 7. Now just see children, this 7 is a whole number. 7 क्या है यहाँ पे whole number है. Denominator में कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब by default what is that? It is, yes, it is 1. Is it clear, students? Whenever there is no number in the denominator, it means by default there is 1. Now we'll just apply the concept of division over here. First fraction remain as it is, that is 6 upon 13. Division sign will change into multiplication. Okay, got it? Now you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 7 upon 1 will be converted into 1 upon 7. Now can we do the simplification? No. So we'll just multiply it. 6 ones are 6, 13 sevens are 91. So you can see that it is a proper fraction. So it will just remain as it is. So your answer is 6 upon 91. Got it, children? I hope you are getting. Now just see the next one. That is the fifth part of this question. Okay. Question number 3, fifth part we will solve now. That is 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. Now what you have to do? First of all, you will just convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 plus 1, which comes out to be 7 upon 2 divided by 4. Now there is no number in the denominator, means by default it is 1. Now it's very much easy. First fraction will remain as it is. Division sign will change into multiplication. You have to take the reciprocal of this number. So 1 upon 4. You can't simplify it further. So 7 ones are 7 and 2 4s are 8. So your answer is 7 upon 8. Now we will just do the last question of this exercise. That is the question number 4. Now just see question number 4 over here. We will solve fourth part, question fourth part. That is 2/3 divided by 3/5. Okay. Now mixed fraction. So we have to change it into the improper one. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1, which is 7/3 divided by 3/5. Now first fraction remains as it is. Division sign change into multiplication. 3/5. So you have to take the reciprocal, that is 5/3. We can't simplify it further. So 7 5s are 35 and 3 into 3 is 9. Now you can see again children, it is a improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So we will change it into the mixed fraction. So you can just change it, 35 divided by 9. So 9 3s are 27, 15 minus 7 is 8. So your answer is, that is quotient 3, remainder 8 and divisor is 9. So 9 3s are 27 and 27 plus 8 is 35. So 3 8/9 is your answer. Now the last part of this question, just see, that is the sixth part. Question number 4, sixth part we will solve now. Just see the sixth part what is given, that is 2/5 divided by 1/2. Now again you have to change it into the improper fraction. So 2/5 divided by 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3/2. Now 2/5 first fraction remains as it is. Division sign will change into multiplication. You have to take the reciprocal of this 3/2, so it becomes 2/3. We can't simplify further, so 2 into 2 is 4 and 5 3s are 15. You can see 4/15 is the proper fraction because the numerator is less than the denominator. So answer will remain just 4/15. So children, what are the concepts we have done? That is, we have done the addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction and the division of fraction. Is that clear, students? So keep on practicing more and more questions based on this mathematical operations. In the next part, we will just do the other topics, that is the regarding decimals, when the decimal numbers have been given to do, how to do the multiplication of decimal numbers, how to do the division of the decimal numbers. Okay children? So please stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.